Hi everyone, this is Roshni from Bangalore. So today we have as usual casual wear collections. So quickly join our live with a lot more people and all. And these are today's all casual wear, kurta, suits and everything. So quickly just reply me that everything is clear, my voice is audible and picture quality is clear so that we can start today. And all casual wear, trust me, you'll love it because we have kurtas, we have kaftans also, and we have full suits also. We have few anarkalis also. So quickly join us, type something that everything is clear so that I can start for today. I'll just see the voice clear. It's clear, right? Okay. So everything is clear. A lot of people have already joined. Thank you everyone. Thanks for a lot of love what you guys are showing us. And today, end of the live, I'm gonna show the store also because there are a lot more collections actually. Party wears also, semi party wear also. So it's very difficult to come live again and again. But yes, weekly ones definitely are coming live. But if anybody needs collection, they can always WhatsApp us. They can always call for a video call slot. So end of the live, we're just gonna quickly show the store. And you will understand what kind of collections we have, and you can just call all my franchisee also. They will be also having a lot more stock because now the season has started. So anything you guys need, you can just WhatsApp us. Thanks for joining me. Now I can start the designs today. So this is the first one which I am wearing. It's a very different color. This is with the sharara and this is a muslin kurta. So it's a very simple and very nice fitted kurta and with the sharara. So this is a muslin kurta with the sharara. I'm just gonna show you the first piece. So the work is also very neat. You can just see here it's a very neat work kurta. And this is a pittan work, so the work is little pittan kind of work. It's a zari work only, and this is a cotton sharara. So this is a well
not audible properly.
Not audible, just music little less. Yeah, it's fine, right? So this is a sharara. This is a cotton sharara, but the fit is very nice. So it gives you a proper fit from here, and then the flow here. So this is a cotton sharara and this is a muslin kurta. So the color is very different. You must have this color. The price is only 1995 and the sizes we have 38 to 46 size. So we have 38 to 46 size. Thank you for the stars.
And Hina Agarwal.
Hina Agarwal, thank you so much for the stars. So this is a muslin kurta with the sharara. A very different color and with the pittan work. So 38 to 46 size. The price is only 1995. So the next one is anarkali one. So a lot of people have asked anarkali also. This is in a darker shade. Anarkali with the proper pure chiffon dupatta. So this is a chiffon dupatta. This is a maroon color. In video I can see it's looking red, but this is a maroon color. So this is a maroon color dupatta with the cotton anarkali, and in the down also there is a gota work, and then we have a maroon color pant in this. So this is a full suit anarkali one. The price for this is 1895 and the size are 38 to 44 size. So 38 to 44 and this price is 1895. So
What
this
size
is the
you
entire look. Sorry?
What size you wear?
I wear only 38 size. So medium is my size. I generally like little fitted one. So I wear 38 one, and if you guys want little comfortable one, please order the next size, 40 size and all. But 38 for me fits perfectly. And we have a video also in YouTube how to check your size. It is very easy. People who are from India, who are from abroad, anywhere, they can just keep the kurti on the table, their own kurti what they wear, and just check the chest line and the hips line of the kurta, so you get to know what is the size of yours. So if you have any confusion also, my team can also help you in that, right?
Where is your boutique?
Our store is in Indiranagar, which is in Bangalore, and we do have stores in most of the cities mein, so all the numbers have also given, so you guys can contact also. And recently we are opening in Kurukshetra. Next,
Kurukshetra and Bhopal.
Bhopal. So Bhopal and Navratri mein we are opening Kurukshetra and Bhopal, and this next week also we are opening in Vizag. So this is an anarkali again. So this is only a gown with the dupatta, but this is a very different color with the nice tassels here on the sides, and this kind of work is there with the dupatta, and the flares is also very different. So this is a completely flare one with the gota kind of lining here. This is a complete anarkali with the dupatta. So no bottom for this. The price is 1895 and the sizes are 38 to 46. Here in the front also little embroidery is there, and the panel also, it's a different little, you know, it's a glitter kind of. So not too many glitters, but yes, it's a little light kind of glitter in this.
Green suit has margin inside.
No, muslin doesn't have margin. You please take a neck size, because this is a proper fit kurta with the sharara, and people who have a little lower body heavy, they can always go with a neck size only, because sharara has to be proper fitted, and muslin kurta also always comes in a proper fitting. So cottons and all little loose fit will be there, but muslin will be proper fitted only. So please order neck size if you are not comfortable with the lean fit. And this is a cotton one. You have seen the live ka, which we have posted yesterday. So this is a very pretty one, and this is in cotton. You can see the neck detailing over here. So it's a nice neck detailing here, and it's completely cotton kurta with the dupatta and a pant. So this is the dupatta here, and this is the kurta here. So this is 1650, 38 to 46. The pant is also very nice. So this is a completely cotton made full suit. The price for this is 1650, 38 to 46. This is a very soft quality cotton. You will like it. The color is also very nice, light color. So I'm gonna post the reel also today. You can have a look of this.
Arm heavy है तो कौन सा size?
सी अगर आपके आर्म्स हेवी है तो आप अकॉर्डिंग टू आपका जो साइज है उससे एक साइज बढ़ा लीजिए, क्योंकि कोई भी जो कुर्ती बनता है उसका जो मेजरमेंट्स होता है वो बॉडी मेजरमेंट के हिसाब से होता है, वेरी स्टैंडर्ड मेजरमेंट. सो अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका कोई भी पार्ट थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा है, सो प्लीज ऑर्डर द नेक्स्ट साइज. ये भी बहुत अच्छा शूट है, बट वी हैव स्मॉल साइज ऑल्सो इन दिस. सो वी हैव 36 साइज इन दिस, and lot of people have complained we don't have 36, I know, but still we have 36 in this. And this is a chikankari one. It's a very smart color also, and we have this kind of dupatta in this with the pant. So the pant is a plain color, so this kind of taffeta pant is there with the chikankari look kurta. This is the front look of this. You can have a look.
Size of pant.
Size, which one? This is the proper 36 ka. The will fit for 36 size, people only. The price for this is again 38. So we have 36 onward, 36, 40, 42, 42. So most of the designs are today 1895. You don't have any confusion. So this is 1895, 36 to 42. So this is a chikankari made cotton full suits with the pant, and the color is also very nice. So this is little semi party wear. You can just carry it in any functions also. Any messages?
46 kurta and pant.
46, I already showed one design. Even this also we have 46, and there are so many designs in 46. So soon we'll be coming up with a video only 44 and 46. So it will be very easy for you to shop. This is also a very pretty one. So you can see the work here. So this is a little work here with the nice dupatta. It's a printed dupatta. And then we have a bottom. So this is a printed bottom there. So the concept is very different, printed made, and this is a lurex fabric. So the lines are also there, so it looks a little heavy also. So this is a lurex fabric made, and the price for this is again 1895, 38 to 44. So this is a full suit, 1895, 38 to 44. So this is the front look, and we have two colors in this. So both the colors are very pretty. So this is a blue color, and this is little peach kind of color. So both the colors are very, very pretty.
Number for wholesale.
So the number for wholesale is 8310498083, and for retail you can always WhatsApp at 9448413096, 7676271096. And any inquiry for franchisee, always WhatsApp Pooja Prasad, and the number is 9341094058. So that's all the numbers are there. This is also a new color. This is a light purple color. It's a full suit basically, you can see here. So it's a full suit with the cotton dupatta and the pant. The price for this is 1695, 38 to 46 size. 1695, 38 to 46 size, and this is a cotton full suit. This is the front work here, this kind of work. So this color is also very, very in. This is a peplum. A lot of people have asked me peplum. So this is a short peplum cotton made with the sharara. So this kind of sharara is there. It's a gota work, and this is the color here with the dupatta. So young girls, or a lot of people wanted to wear something different, so they can always go with the sharara and peplum. The price is 1695 and the sizes are 38 to 44. this is a simple, elegant one, cotton made with a nice chiffon dupatta. It's a bandage chiffon dupatta, little work here in the front, and a straight pants. So this kind of straight pants with a little work also. So the price for this is 1695, 38 to 44 size. So this is basically in cotton only with the chiffon dupatta. So chiffon dupattas are very comfortable to carry and all. And now next is kaftan. Lot of people have asked for kaftan. So this is a rayon made. So this is a rayon made with knot here and this kind of work in this. So the size also gota is there with the white pant in this. So this kind of white pant we have, and we have two beautiful colors. Both the colors are very pretty. One is pink, one is black. So both the colors you can just take it whatever colors you want. This is a pink made. So little yoke work here, and this is in pink. So both have a white pant, and the size for this is 38 to 44, and the price is again 1895. So this is 1895. The fabric is rayon fabric. It's a rayon, so little flowy fabric. So it's a rayon chikankari fabric.
So green garara again.
Green garara, which I'm wearing. Okay, this one I already showed. This is with the peplum style. So this is cotton made peplum style with the dupatta. So this is the entire look of it. Price is 1695.
How to order?
How to order? So order के लिए you always WhatsApp us, or you can just go to my website. You can go to the app also, and you can just order. Or any of my franchisee also must be having this, so you can just WhatsApp them or call them. And this is the next piece. This is in semi party wear. It's one of my favorite, and this is in chanderi fabric. So, but here we don't have lining in this. So make sure people who want completely soft cotton and all, they don't order, because it's little pokey here because as they don't have lining here. And this is a netted dupatta. So this is only kurta and dupatta. These are little semi party wear. People can carry it with the straight pants. The price is 2095, 38 to 44. So this is the entire look of it. So little work here. So in this white, I need the off-white pants, straight pants.
Karwa Chauth.
Yeah.
Kurtis.
Karwa Chauth ke liye I'm gonna give you lot more collections. Don't worry. Rani color, red color. So we are just trying to make a video very soon. So Rani and red color ke upar Karwa Chauth special we are gonna launch very soon. So this is a pant which I was talking about. It's a straight pants, and it's a 4-way stretchable, 695. This is very comfortable. You can pair with this kind of semi party wear kurtis ke saath, or any other kurti also. This is a stretchable pants which is ready, and 695 is the price. We have starting with L, but L will fit for 38 also. So we have L, XL, double XL. So you can just order this pant. These are very comfortable. So this is a kurti which I was talking, and with the chanderi look with the dupatta. The price is only 2095, 38 to 44 size.
Delivery can happen in Punjab.
Delivery can be possible anywhere in India, wherever you want. And international also we have started delivering, but the shipping charges are a bit high from Bangalore, so it depends on the weight. So US, Dubai, anywhere we can do it.
Does kaftan have pants?
Sorry?
Does kaftan have pants?
Yeah, this kaftan has pants. So this is a straight pants, white color we have. Both the kaftan has a straight pants. This is a kurti, and this is a very nice fit because this is a rayon made, and this is one of the best selling again. So this, the price is 1195, 38 to 46, and this is the sleeve, little cuts also here. It's a rayon fabric.
30 to 50.
Sorry?
30 to 52.
This one. Okay. So we have 52 size also now. So we have 38 to 52 in this. So earlier we have made 38 to 46. Now we have 38 to 52 size, and this is a lean fit kurta. So I think 38 will fit for 36, right? So this 38 will fit for 36. So you just order your size, we'll give you. Don't worry. So this, the price is 1195 rayon mein, and this is a work here. So next I'm going to show you only kurtas only. These are very pocket friendly kurta. This is also kurta, two beautiful colors we have. It's a pink one, and this is an orange one. The price is only 795. This is little Pintex work here, so you can see the Pintex kind of with the gota lining. So this is only 795, 30 to 46. You can wear it with the white straight pants. So we have two kind of white straight pants now. So both the straight pants are very pretty. So this kind of white straight pants we have. One is this one, which was completely out of stock, but now it's ready again. Thank you for the stars.
Archana Mishra.
Archana Mishra, thank you so much for the stars. So this is a cotton pants with the laces here in the down, and this is also cotton pants. So both the pants are ready now. You can choose anything. This is a white make. The price for this is 550, and we have sizes M, L, XL, double XL. So we have the sizes M to 44 size. So up to 44 size we have cotton made. So these are basically cotton pants. Thank you for the stars. Preeti Bell, thank you so much for the star. This is also very nice kurta which goes very fast with the white pants, and this kind of work is there. It's very comfortable one, cotton made. The price is 950, and the sizes we have 30 to 46, right? So we have 38 to 46 size. It's a nice cotton kurta. So earlier we have launched light pink color which is in productions, and we are going to get it very soon, but this color for the time being it's ready. So the next one is
Kaftan. Want to see again?
Okay, I'll show you the kaftan at the end. This is also kurta, but this is a very different color. So this is a light purple kind of color, and this is a yellow color. So both the colors are ready. This is in cotton flex. Thank you for the stars,
Neelam Kedia.
Thank you so much for the star. So this is two kurta, which the price is 850, and the sizes are 30 to 46. And this kind of little work here in the front way. So two colors, both the colors are very pretty, purple and yellow. 38 to 46 size. I'm going to show the kaftan once again. So this is a kaftan which is in rayon chikankari. One is in pink, one is in black with a little work here. And the bottom also I'm going to show you. This is a normal plain white bottom. So this kind of bottom we have in this. It's straight pants only. So this kind of white straight pants we have. The price is 1895, and the sizes we have 38 to 44. So this is a little adjustable one. You can just knot it, and this kind of work is there in the front.
Price of what you are wearing?
So what I am wearing, the price is 1995, 38 to 46 size. This is in muslin kurta, and the pant is a sharara one which is in cotton. It's a proper fitted kurta and sharara. So please see, if you want little comfortable one, so please order the next size, because this kurtas and all don't have margin at all. So the price for this is 1995, 38 to 46. I hope you like the designs today. Please shop it from website, please shop it from WhatsApp. And for wholesale orders also, you can always WhatsApp us. You can inquire from my franchisee. You can just WhatsApp us in my detail number also. And that's all. Thank you so much for the stars, Mamta. Thank you so much for the star. If anything else is there, I can just reply now. And Diwali ke pehle or Durga Puja ke pehle will be coming up with more party wear also. And my plus size designs are also ready. We'll be coming up with plus sizes also. Kanpur mein right now we don't have store, but multicolor blacks. 44 size fit for 46 size in kaftan. Yes, you can try, because kaftans are always loose only, so you need to alter it. So thank you so much for the stars, Sangeeta Singh. Thank you so much for the stars. This one. Okay, multi-color kurta. This is a multi-color kurta, yes, and the work is also very nice, but this is a lean fit. You order your size, we'll give you the next size, so don't worry. The price is 1195, and the sizes are up to 52 size. Pink color kaftan अगर आपको order करना है, so either order from website or you order from WhatsApp also, and you can drop into my store also. So okay, white pattern I'll show once again. White made. So we have this two kind of pant. Just hold it. So this is in cotton pants actually. So this is this kind of laces in this, and one this kind of crucial work. So two pants we have, both the price are 550, and we have 38 to 44 size. And I'm gonna take a tour of the store also now.
Lalita Harinath.
Thank you so much for the star, Lalita ji. And now I'm gonna take a tour of my store. So people who want more designs for party wear or casual wear also, they can always ask for a video call slot. So just take the phone now. Yeah. So now the store look. Just can you hold it? So this is the entire store now. The party wear, just make it even down. No, like this. I'll make it. See the look of the store. These are all in cotton, okay, and we have shararas also. These are some plus sizes also. So we have semi party wear also, and these are all party wear. So these are most of the collections which are in party wear. Few are new designs coming up. These are in white, which is very fast moving, plus sizes and semi party wear. So now I'm gonna take you to casual wear collections. You can just come here. So these are the casual wear. We have few anarkalis here. Then this kind of pants, and these are all casual wear with the shararas, semi kurtas with the pants, and only kurtas also. So this kind of collections we have. But yes, slowly I'm gonna show you. Thank you so much for the stars. And slowly we are gonna show you most of the collections. But yes, before that, if you guys need, you can always WhatsApp us, ask for a video call slot. My team will help you. So thank you so much. Thanks for all your love and support. Bye bye.